For the Tunisian full stitch, we're going to be pulling up loops between the stitches instead of in the stitches themselves. So here's the front vertical bar, here's the back vertical bar, but we're going to be stitching between them. So skip the first one and then pull up a loop here. See, now we have 2 loops on our hook. Now 3, 4, and we're going for 10, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 is the last stitch into the chain, so always go under 2 here for stability. Now chain 1, that's that ending chain right there. Yarn over, pull through 2 all the way across. And you'll end with 1 loop on your hook, which will be the first stitch of the next row. Now remember, the last time we skipped the first here. So this time we're not going to skip the first. We're going to go 1 in directly into the first one. So that's 2 loops, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then we're going to skip the one on the end this time. The empty space here. We're going to skip that one. We have to go back and forth because it has to be offset. Otherwise, you're going to increase on the edges. So now chain 1, yarn over, and again until you have 1 loop on your hook. And this time we'll skip the first one again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you see this curls quite a bit, so the applications would mean that you would need to block it really well, or you would need an extra thick border. But this stitch is very thick and it makes a really nice stitch pattern, but it does require extra work to make it not curl.